make h the subject of the formula 2mh equal to g into 1 minus h. So we want to make h equal to something. Yes. So for that, first what I'll do means I'm just going to expand this bracket because here also there is one h. So g minus gh. I'm just expanding, bringing this g inside this bracket. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring all the terms whichever having h to one side and rest of the thing to the other side. So here this term and this term is having h. So 2mh plus gh. Since I'm bringing this minus gh to the other side, it becomes plus gh. That is equal to g. Yes. Now, if you see in this, we are having two terms and both the terms is having h. So what we should do means you should take h as a common thing between these two things. If I take h outside, here in the first thing I am having 2m. If I multiply h into this 2m, I'll get 2mh. Same way, g into what gives you h into what gives you gh. It is g. Okay, if I'm taking this h, g is left over. That is equal to g. Now h equal to g by 2m plus g. So, whenever you are having two terms and both the terms having that variable, what you have to make it a subject, just try to take the term commonly outside and divide the rest of the thing. Yes. So, h equal to g by 2m plus g.